Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1982 Chevy Silverado regular cab short box two-wheel drive. I got Joe here, the owner, is going to tell us a little about it. How are we doing today, Joe?
Doing well, thank you.
Great, nice truck.
I've had it over 20 years.
Wow, long time. What kind of motor's in it?
It's got a new 355 cubic inch Chevy and a rebuilt 350 tranny.
Well, great.
Got about 800 miles on the whole thing. I had a boat, but I got sick, so I sold the boat, and now I have nowhere to go fishing with, so...
The boat's out, huh?
The boat's out.
Okay.
I got 5 cars, so one's got to go. It's going to be the truck.
Okay. Definitely nice.
Truck. Like I say, it's got like 800 miles on the whole thing. Motor and tranny.
Runs nice, huh? Got a
Very
bedliner. Nice straight body. Nice lofty bench seat. Rear sliding window. Nice dash, no cracks. Can you pop the hood?
Sure. It's an air-conditioned truck. I have all. I didn't put it on when we did the motor.
Yeah.
Put it off, but I have everything to put it back to AC.
Good. An air truck. It's got power brakes. Looks like a new Master. Power steering. Is that a crate motor?
No, it's a 350 block board out to 355.
Okay. Yeah, they run forever. Electronic ignition. Edelbrock carburetor. What is that, a 600?
Yes.
New Optima Battery.
Original jack.
Original jack. It's great. Can you fire it up, Joe?
Sure.
Runs nice, huh? Yeah, with the 355, sure it moves along nice. Chrome valve covers. It's like a high-rise manifold. Nice honest truck. Chrome or stainless rain guards. All-weather mats. So it's got 109,000 miles.
On the body, yeah.
Yeah, 109,000.
800 miles on the drivetrain.
And 800 miles on the drivetrain. And the clock is still ticking. Would you look at that? Custom stereo. Actually works. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Joe, thank you so much for coming out with your truck.
You're welcome. Thanks.
Any questions, give us a call, 631-339-0399. That's how we took about 150 or so photos today. WeebyAutos.com. Thanks a lot.